ever been to the doctor recently?
Yes. Last month I had a cold, so I went to the clinic.
Oh, really? Was it fast or did you have to wait long?
I had to wait a little, but the doctor was very kind.
That's good. Going to the doctor can feel scary sometimes.
True, but it's important for our health.
Exactly. And today, that's our topic.
Nice. And going to the doctor in simple English.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to Cozy English Radio, the place to learn real English in an easy and friendly way.
Hello, friends. I'm Mike. Happy to be here again.
And I'm Emma. Today, we will do a little role play,
Yes. In this episode, Emma will be the doctor.
and Mike will be the patient.
This way you can hear real conversations and practice.
But before we start, please like and subscribe. It really helps us grow. Okay, let's start. But first, let's imagine the story. Mike is not feeling well, so he goes to the clinic.
Okay, let's start. Good afternoon. I have an appointment at 3.
What's your name, please?
My name is Mike Johnson.
Thank you, Mike. Please wait a moment. The doctor will see you soon.
Okay, thank you.
At the reception, you just say your name and the time of your appointment.
Very easy, right?
Yes. And sometimes you may need to show your ID card or health card.
Oh, right, that happens too.
So after the reception, what happens next?
Then I go to the doctor's office, right?
Exactly. Now let's listen to that conversation. Hello, Mike. I'm Dr. Emma. How are you today?
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well.
I see. What seems to be the problem?
I have a sore throat and a small fever
How long have you felt this way?
for about 3 days.
Do you also have a cough?
Yes, a dry cough,
Any headache or body pain?
a little headache, but no body pain.
Okay, I will check your temperature.
Sure.
Hmm, 38 degrees. You do have a fever.
Oh, no.
Don't worry. It looks like the flu.
Really?
Yes, you need rest, water, and some medicine.
Can I go to work tomorrow?
I think you should rest at home for 2 days.
Okay, I'll do that.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't.
Good. Take this medicine, one tablet in the morning, one in the evening.
Should I take it before or after eating?
Take it after eating.
Doctor, is it serious?
No, it's just a flu. Many people get it.
That makes me feel better.
Do you have someone at home to help you?
Yes, my sister is there.
Good. Ask her to make you soup and tea.
Haha, I will. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Okay, so after meeting the doctor, what do I do?
Then you take the prescription and go to the pharmacy.
Ah, yes, the place to buy medicine.
Let's practice that next.
Hello, I have a prescription from Dr. Emma.
Okay, let me check it.
How much is the medicine?
$10.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please take one pill twice a day.
Once in the morning and once in the evening, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, thank you very much.
See, even at the pharmacy, the English is simple.
Yes, you just need to ask about the price, the number of pills, and when to take them.
Exactly. But sometimes a visit to the doctor can include more than just medicine.
Yes, maybe extra situations happen.
Right. Let's look at some examples together. Sometimes you need to ask for directions.
Excuse me, where is the x-ray room?
It's on the second floor.
Thank you very much.
Or maybe you feel nervous.
Doctor, I feel scared. Is it something bad?
Don't worry, it's only a small infection.
That makes me calm.
Or maybe you need help for someone else.
Excuse me, my child has a stomach ache.
Okay, please wait. The doctor will see your child soon.
Wow, there are so many different situations at the doctor.
Yes. And after that, the doctor usually gives advice.
Ah, advice to help you get better.
Exactly. Let's listen to that part. Remember, Mike, drink a lot of water,
Yes, doctor.
eat soft food, like soup,
Okay,
and sleep early.
I will.
If your fever stays for more than 5 days, come back.
All right, I understand.
Good. Take care of your health.
Thank you, Dr. Emma.
And that's the end of Mike's doctor visit.
Yes, I feel better already, haha.
Now let's review some useful words and phrases.
Doctor, the person who helps when you are sick.
Patient, the person who visits the doctor.
Appointment, the time you meet the doctor.
Symptoms, problems you feel like fever or cough.
Prescription, the paper for medicine.
Pharmacy, the place to buy medicine.
Treatment, the way to get better.
All of these are very useful in real life.
Emma being the doctor today was fun.
And you were a great patient, Mike.
Haha, thank you. But you know, it's also a little scary for me to go to the doctor in real life.
Really? Why?
Because sometimes I don't know the right English words. I feel shy.
Oh, I understand. But don't worry. Doctors are usually patient and kind. You can use simple words.
Like headache, cough, pain, or medicine.
Exactly. And even if your English is not perfect, the doctor will try to help you.
That makes me feel more confident.
And friends, if you're listening, remember, don't be shy to ask questions.
Yes, asking questions is very important.
For example, you can say, "How many times should I take this medicine?"
Or can I eat before this medicine?
Or, "How long should I rest?"
These small questions can really help.
And Mike, do you usually follow the doctor's advice?
Hmm. Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Haha, be honest.
Well, if the doctor says no spicy food, that is very hard for me.
Oh, you like spicy food?
Yes, I love chili.
Haha, but sometimes you must listen to the doctor.
True, next time I'll try.
So, friends, today we learned how to talk in English at the doctor's office.
From the reception to meeting the doctor to getting medicine.
We also practiced some useful questions and answers.
And we had fun with a little role play.
We hope this helps you feel confident when you visit a doctor.
Just remember, speak slowly, use simple words, and don't be shy.
Doctors are there to help you, not to judge you.
And practice makes perfect.
That's all for today's episode on Cozy English Radio.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Leave a comment about your last visit to the doctor.
And tell us what topic you want next.
Until then, keep practicing English every day.
Stay healthy, stay happy.
And of course, stay cozy.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time. Thanks so much for watching until the end.
We really hope this episode helped you out.
If it did, don't forget to like the video.
And share it with your friends who might need it too.
Oh, and make sure to subscribe to our channel.
That way, you'll never miss our newest uploads.
See you in the next episode.
Take care and stay cozy.